Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Amanda and I are so excited that we got to participate as speakers for the first time in a conference. We were invited to speak at the Canadian Homeschooling Conference, and our session was about empowering families who have decided to homeschool their kids. Take it from two teachers, you can homeschool. And so on Monday, February 10th is the last day that you can watch sessions for free. And then after that, on Tuesday, February 11th, it's your last day to be able to purchase all the sessions for a low price of $17. And then after that, you only have a small window from February 12th to February 16th to purchase all the sessions for $27, which is still a great price. And you get lifetime access to all the videos, which is really cool. The conference is full of all sorts of different perspectives and different topics on homeschooling, sessions to help you out with starting out and regulations, planning and curriculum, homeschooling as a single parent, sessions on language, several French language sessions, the environment, math, game schooling, and self-care. So this week is your last chance to get access to this awesome homeschooling conference with tons of great information and resources for homeschooling. And the best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. It's the Canadian Online Homeschooling Conference. So if you want to check out the conference, we'll leave an affiliate link down below and you can see what that's all about, and you got to get it while it's hot. So I just wanted to take an opportunity to thank everyone who watched our session and who interacted with us on the conference chat and followed us on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So thank you very much for that. Thanks to Lisa Marie Fletcher and Sarah Wall for organizing and hosting the conference, and also for inviting Amanda and myself to come and speak. Again, such a fantastic experience and our first one, so thank you for that. And if you're checking out the conference, hopefully we'll see you at the Facebook wrap-up party on Tuesday, February 11th. So with our first homeschool conference wrapping up, I'd like to announce that Amanda will be speaking at a second conference on March 27th, the Renfrew County Homeschool Fair. So she'll be speaking at that, and we'll leave some information about that below. So check that out. If you've been watching our videos and you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell to get notifications. If you want to follow us on our day-to-day, make sure to follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.